Tetete ni undu wa uheani wa mbeca nini kuri ikundi cia atumia thengia wa kwambiririo kwa mitaratara ya uheani kigina kia Women Enterprise na Hustler Fund. Kuringana na Mutaaramu wa maundu megie ihoto cia atumia, Harriet Chiggai ni ugite ukinyaniria ucio wa thi ni ucungireire uhotekeku wa kugura indo cia thirikari gukorwo uri muritu kuona atumia aria maikaraga miciini nio makoretwo magumirwo makiria.
If you look at the data that we have, we are told only 2% of women are bankable. When you look at the monies out here on Matters Women, it's quite a lot of money, but we are not tapping into that. So the biggest headache we have as government is how do we accelerate women? How do we accelerate the bottom-up economic agenda? We can only do that if we go along with the professionals because they are the ones who are supposed to educate Kenyans.
Chiggai ni ugite wabici yake ni kurora ringi mitaratara ya agpo niguo guthinga mianya iria ingikorwo kigiririria uingi wa kambuni iria itongoragio ni atumia. Oho ni atugirite mitaratara iria iratetetra ihoto cia atumia hamwe na utongoria wa atumia thirikari-ini kuria atumia 8 macaguritwo itiini cia ngabana na itiingi cia thirikari.
The history of this country allow me to laud this government because we have the biggest champion of women in the president himself. The president has pronounced himself on the support he has for women, including putting my office in place. We have the highest number of CSs in this government, in the history of this country, the highest number of PSs, and we are hoping we'll scale that up. You've heard the governors are now 7 and they're saying they'll scale it up. And they have the support of the leadership. We've had the pronouncements that the president has made, and that is political goodwill, which has been lacking for many years.
John Karani, uria ni muikariri giti wa KISIP, ni ugite ni mageretie gukorwo na uigiririku na uge sekta-ini iyo niguo kuhurana na ungumania uria wongererekete amu ni mambikite mitaratara ya kurunga mitugo.
The things that go wrong, and this is what we want to change that narrative, is we want to make sure everybody is held accountable for the role they play in that pipeline. So that when things go wrong, it's not just procurement people being blamed. Everybody must be held accountable for the role they play. And that's the narrative we are beginning to change. If it's our people, we have a proper mechanism for disciplining them, investigating and ensuring that the justice and truth is seen to be done. And that's why we've set up a proper disciplinary mechanism to actually institutionalize anybody who is actually not doing well can be debarred from practicing. But we want to see justice done by ensuring that there's an equitable process, there's more importantly clear accountability along the chain called supply chain.
Iratetetra Muthingi TV, Geto wa Geshi wa Wachira.